guys. And I'm just gonna show you how I got this look and do it on this side. I did do like some green contouring and green highlighting and then red eyebrow. Yeah, you'll see it's gonna be like a poison ivy look. Go ahead and start with the eyebrow. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer on my brow. We're gonna grab the Mega Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette, and we're gonna go ahead and grab this red shade right here, and we're gonna put that on our brow. Grab our ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and it's gonna be in the shade Medium 28. Just gonna go ahead and put it under. Put concealer. I use this ColourPop concealer as primer, and I just blend that bad boy out. So I'm using this palette, what? Okay, today I'm using the Just My Look ColourPop Cosmetic palette. It's all green shades inside. Using this palette today. I have dropped it so many times. I don't know why I keep dropping it, and the shades have popped out like 2 times now, so they're definitely not in the right order. This one is the only one that I remembered. I think this color is Mary Jane, and I have no idea what the rest of them are. I don't want to pop them out again, because what if I break them next time? I'm not trying to do that because I really like them, these shades. So yeah, I'm using Act Natural and Mary Jane, I think. If not, I'll insert what it actually is. But yeah, don't listen to the names that are on here, basically, unless it's this one, because it's the only one that's right. Okay. I'm just packing it. I just want it to get really, really, really dark. And I'm gonna grab this shade, which I believe is Mary Jane, and I'm just gonna put that right under my brow, and I'm gonna put an excessive amount. Then I'm gonna go back with a green shade. Just kind of go on top. And then I'm just gonna use the ColourPop Cosmetic Concealer, cut out the crease. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this light green shade, which I'm pretty sure is Mary Jane. And if it's not, I've said it like 5 times. So I'm gonna have to insert a lot of text if it's not, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. We'll go ahead and grab the Pro Concealer. That like natural before I freaking get white all over my lid. And we're just gonna go ahead and pat that all over the white concealer. LA Girl Pro Concealer white. Yeah. Under just a little bit. So cold. It's so cold in Vegas. It's supposed to be like hot and it's like freaking freezing. For me, what I'm used to, it's like what, like 40 degrees, 30 degrees. I know some places get like negative and stuff and there's like snow. But like what I'm used to, it's pretty freaking cold right now. And also the heater doesn't reach my room, so there's that. So it's a little bit, it's like, it's actually pretty cold in my room. I'm on my water line, and yes, if you can see it, eyeshadow does get on my eye. Ball. No, it does not hurt if you're wondering. Sometimes. It does hurt sometimes. Okay. Alright, that is done. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation in the shade Natural. And I got this from my friend. I'll put her little thing right here. And I don't know if you can see, but I did highlighter and like green contour. And like in my double chin area. This. I'll probably do some up here. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the side of the face. Boop, boop. Oh god. And I'm just gonna do a couple dots there. They're pretty small, but I usually don't wear foundation because I freaking suck at it, like hard. And then I'm just gonna grab my Real Techniques thing, which is dirty, sorry, but yeah, I'm just gonna put that all over. This is what I try to put on my face as a like whole look, my whole face. Didn't work out because I'm not used to using like Halloween makeup, but I can use it as a contour. Just a tedious bit. And Marvelous Mattes, and I'm gonna grab this shade right smack dab in the middle, and then I'm gonna grab this brush that was a gift. It's Beauty Professionals Contour Blend, whatever, I don't know from hand. And then just gonna grab some on the tip of it like that. I don't do the whole thing because I don't know, because I don't want to. Shop Miss A. It's the brushes from Shop Miss A. They're like $1 or $2. I don't know. I think when I got them they were $1. And it's AOA Studio High Def Brush F103. And then I'm gonna grab this shade. Boom. Use it as a highlight. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing. God. JD Glow Cosmetics highlighter, and it's in the shade Pistachio, so it kind of has some green, like a green reflect to it. Just gonna go ahead and put that on there because it really makes it pop. It's ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Notion. Just put that everywhere. And then, how I said, I got this Italia Deluxe glitter eyeliner, and it just has like a number item, so it's just the red one, and I just put that all over my lips. I'll be back. When I come back, I will be Poison Ivy. A good one. Hopefully a good one. Bye. Okay, later. I mean, bye. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Pew, pew. Okay, bye. I weight in my hand. I don't know how to be cute. I do not know how to be cute. Okay.